Paradigm Shift has helped our Nahara membership as they've created cohorts that are specifically geared to Indian country and towards leadership for our HR leaders. They've been able to provide multiple leadership training series throughout the last couple of years, especially during our COVID time when we were remote, and they've also been joining us and learning and teaching in our keynote sessions in our conference. Paradigm Shift has provided me the tools to be able to help others succeed. Not only do I also get time to take a look at how I can be a better leader, but it also helps me develop my team and ask the right questions and learn how to facilitate some of those questions for them.